Ever wondered how Klarna picks that specific number for your spending limit? In this video, I'll break down the key factors Klarna's algorithm uses to decide your personal limit. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Your Klarna spending limit isn't a random number. It's a personalized figure generated by a sophisticated algorithm that assesses risk and trust. The system first looks at your credit report through a soft pull. This gives a snapshot of your overall financial health and history with other lenders, including your credit utilization and payment history. Next, and very importantly, it analyzes your internal Klarna history. Your track record of making on-time payments with Klarna is a huge factor. Consistent, responsible use is the best way to see your limit grow. The algorithm also considers the specific purchase context, the data you provided at sign-up, and broader economic factors to create a comprehensive risk profile. A crucial pro tip: there is no public formula, but the principles are clear. Prove you are reliable. Pay on time, every time, and use Klarna consistently for purchases you can afford. This is the most direct way to influence your limit over time. And just like that, you understand the logic behind your financial flexibility with Klarna. It's a dynamic limit designed to grow with your responsible habits. Has your Klarna limit increased over time? Tell us about your experience below. Now that you understand the limits, subscribe for our next video on how to add Klarna at a Shopify store checkout. Thanks for watching.